How to fix keyboard disappeared on Samsung A08. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume down button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, Samsung logo is showing on your screen. You will see. After restarting, enter lock pin. So you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Samsung keyboard and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on general management. And click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Reset setting. Enter phone lock and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.